Crash course on Belgium. People, historical landmarks and architecture. Belgium is a small country in Western Europe with a rich history and culture. It is home to a diverse population of over 11 million people, including Flemings, Walloons, and a large number of immigrants. The official languages of Belgium are Dutch, French, and German. Belgium is a popular tourist destination, thanks to its many historical landmarks and architectural wonders. Some of the most popular tourist attractions include 1. The Grand Place in Brussels, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 1. The Atomium in Brussels, a landmark built for the 1958 World's Fair. 1. The Manneken Pis, a landmark fountain in Brussels. 1. The Ghent belfry, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 1. The Brugge Markt, a square in Bruges. 1. The Church of Our Lady in Bruges. Belgium is also home to a number of interesting stories and examples of its diverse population. For example, the city of Brussels is home to a large number of immigrants from the Democratic Republic of the Congo. These immigrants have brought their own culture and traditions to Brussels, which has made the city a vibrant and multicultural place. Top 12 attractions of people, historical landmarks and architecture in Belgium. The Grand Place in Brussels is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most beautiful squares in the world. The Atomium in Brussels is a landmark built for the 1958 World's Fair. It is a giant steel structure that resembles an atom. The Manneken Pis is a landmark fountain in Brussels. It is a small statue of a naked boy urinating into the fountain. The Ghent belfry is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a tall tower that is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Ghent. The Brugge Markt is a square in Bruges. It is a popular tourist destination and is home to a number of shops, restaurants, and cafes. The Church of Our Lady in Bruges is a Gothic church that is one of the most beautiful churches in Belgium. The Royal Palace of Brussels is the official residence of the Belgian King and Queen. The Magritte Museum is a museum dedicated to the work of the Belgian surrealist painter René Magritte. The Comic Strip Museum is a museum dedicated to the history of comics in Belgium. The Planten Moretus Museum is a museum dedicated to the history of printing in Belgium. The Waterloo Battlefield is the site of the Battle of Waterloo, which was fought in 1815. The Ardennes is a region in Belgium that is known for its beautiful forests and rolling hills. Summary: Belgium is a small country with a rich history and culture. It is home to a diverse population of over 11 million people, and it is a popular tourist destination. Some of the most popular tourist attractions in Belgium include the Grand Place in Brussels, the Atomium in Brussels, the Manneken Pis, the Ghent belfry, and the Brugge Markt. Poem: Belgium, a land of many peoples, with a rich history and culture. From the Flemish to the Walloons, to the many immigrants who call this country home. Belgium, a land of many landmarks, from the Grand Place in Brussels, to the Atomium, the Manneken Pis, and the many other beautiful churches and cathedrals. Belgium, a land of many stories, from the Battle of Waterloo, to the many immigrants who have made this country their home. Belgium, a land of many wonders, from the beautiful countryside, to the bustling cities. There is something for everyone in Belgium. Ending note. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.